In this video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Discord. So let's get started. First open Discord app on your PC and log into your account. Now click the gear icon which is for user settings located at the bottom left corner. Next, under user settings, click my account in the left menu. On the right, click edit user profile. Now click your current profile picture and from the options, click change avatar option. Click upload image and select a new image for your profile picture. You can select a new image with PNG, JPG or GIF format. Note that GIF's format requires Discord Nitro. You may crop or rotate the photo. Click apply and then click save changes at the bottom. And your profile picture will be updated on Discord. So that is how you can change profile picture on Discord. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.